In this video, we're going to start factoring trinomials using a strategy called guess and check. And guess and check falls into the general procedure in step 2 when you have trinomials. Now, there's a couple of methods we're going to practice for trinomials. One's guess and check and one's the AC method. And the way I use it is I'll try guess and check for about half a minute. And if I can't get my trinomial factored that way, then I shift into the AC method. Here's the procedure for guess and check. And in this video, we're going to just concentrate on step 1. We're going to write the polynomial in standard form and identify the values of A, B, and C. Let me show you how that works. When we have a trinomial, it's going to have in general the form a times x squared plus b times x plus c. A is the coefficient of the second degree term. B is the coefficient of the first degree term. Remember, there's a little 1 right here that we don't see. And c is the constant term. Notice that we always think of the trinomial as a sum. So if we start with this trinomial, we'd first want to think of it as a sum. That is, we'd write subtractions as adding opposites. And we'd also realize that there's a factor of 1 here that we don't see, and that's the coefficient then of the first degree term. So here's our trinomial written as a sum. The value of A is going to be 6, the value of B is going to be -1, and the value of C is going to be -2. Here's one for you to try. Please write in standard form first. After writing in standard form, we can see that the value of A is 4, the value of B is -4, and the value of C is -15. Again, remember to think of subtractions as adding opposites. Try this one. It's got a little twist to it. Now this is written in standard form, and we have a second degree term and a constant, but we don't seem to have a first degree term. But we do if we think of it as a product where the coefficient of the first degree term is 0. So in this case, our value of A is going to be 9, B is going to be 0, C is going to be -16. Again, we think of the subtraction as adding an opposite. How about this one? After writing in standard form, I can see the value of A is -2, B is -19, and C is 35. Here's another. After writing in standard form and including the first degree term with a coefficient of 0, A is -16, B is 0, and C is 1. And here's our last one. After writing in standard form, the value of A is -4, B is -18, and C is also -4. Well, that concludes this video where we practiced step 1 in the guess and check procedure and identified the values of A, B, and C.